Kind of got ahead of ourselves, but working on taking the rear tire off because, you know, good old Nebraska likes to leave fucking bolts on the ground. Guys, we got the tire off. Now we're just waiting for the tire shop to mount and balance. They were lucky enough to squeeze me in, so maybe I can ride some more this week because it's supposed to be pretty nice. But yeah, not too bad. First time ever taking a tire off. Damn, that's a little dirty. I think I need to clean that up. But yeah.